sharing my thoughts of the Rubbermaid laundry basket. The craziest thing, had a really hard time finding a good sturdy laundry basket. I looked in the stores and I finally just ordered this off Amazon, and it's honestly the best laundry basket that I've ever had. It is very, very sturdy. I wish I could just like even show you through here, but the plastic is a solid plastic. It has handles on 3 of the sides, and it has this nice curved out area that sits on your hips. It is extremely large, so that was something that I really struggled with too, finding a good solid laundry basket that was strong enough and large enough. So if you are looking for a laundry basket, this honestly is an amazing laundry basket. So silly, I feel, to be like sharing, but I struggled with finding a laundry basket, and I highly recommend this one. I love that it has this curved out hip part. I mean, you can definitely hold it here, but it just feels and sits really comfortably here on your hip. And again, it's sturdy and strong.